How to create AI websites using Durable AI. First, open your web browser and go to durable.co. Then, sign in with your Google account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the home page, click Generate Your Website or Start for Free. Next, enter your business name, choose your business category, and select your location if prompted. Now click Generate Website. Durable AI will automatically create a complete website with a homepage, services section, contact page, images, and sample content in less than a minute. Once your website is ready, review each section. You can click any text, image, or button to edit it. Replace the sample content with your own business information. Upload your logo and customize the colors, fonts, and layout. Finally, click Publish. If you're using the free trial, you can preview your website, but publishing on a custom domain requires a paid plan. That's it. You've successfully created an AI website using Durable AI.